Welcome back to For the Record, where we explain important topics about the justice system in straightforward terms. Today, we're breaking down bail and pretrial release in Indiana, how it works, why it matters, and a key change Hoosiers will vote on in the election this November. In Indiana, most people arrested for crimes have a right to bail. Courts consider factors like flight risk and danger to the community to decide the conditions for release. They can either release the defendant without any conditions, or they can set things like cash bond or surety bonds, GPS monitoring, no contact orders, etc. The goal is to ensure court appearances and to protect the public. And those bail or release conditions can later change at the request of the defendant or the prosecutor. However, murder and treason are different. These offenses are generally not bailable. In other words, you'll be held in custody. In Indiana, and in Marion County in particular, many of us believe that bail and release conditions have been too lenient, contributing to a revolving door of crime and more victims. On the November 2026 ballot, voters will be asked to amend the Indiana Constitution. This amendment would allow courts to deny bail for more offenses than just murder and treason. The prosecutor would have to demonstrate strong evidence of the defendant's guilt and that no release conditions would protect the public. Supporters like me argue that this gives judges a needed tool to protect the public. Opponents worry that this will erode the presumption of innocence and lead to overuse. This is about balancing rights with public safety. Know the facts before you vote. What do you think? Drop your comments about this or other topics you'd like to hear about in the comments below. I'm Philip Faust, and I'm on the ballot this fall too. If you'd like a prosecutor who will enforce the law, seek justice for victims, and protect the public, I hope that you'll support me in the election this fall. This has been For the Record. I'll see you next time.